Hi, my name is Aris Manso and I'm from Leica System. Now, this is the second generation of Leica BLK 360. It has the ability to produce 680,000 points per second with 4 scan setting, 5 bracket HDR, weighing around 850 grams with the battery installed. It also has the ability to link a setup from one to another with one tap using the VIS technology. Now, I don't want to talk about this alone. What I want to talk about is actually the data that we can actually see in the Cyclone Field app. Let me just put this here first. Now, if you pay attention to the screen here, this is the Cyclone Field app. So when you press it or you activate it using your iPad or Android tab, you have the ability to see your own data that you have captured using the laser scanner. Now, this is the actual data set or the outcome from the BLK 360 second generation. Now, it is fast, it's able to capture this so easily, and what we are going to do and what I would like to share with you is, apart from having the ownership of the data, you can also do few more excellent or magnificent things with these apps. Now, one of it is actually the ability to clean up your point cloud data. Now, if you look at the screen, now I have the ability to go to the setups and activate this function to actually clean up the point cloud data. So I can highlight the area that I want to clean up or that I want to maintain or keep in this data set, and I can just press delete outside. Now I have this, and then I can repeat the same method to the next setup. Press again the button to clean up the point cloud data, press on that area and just click done, delete outside. Now the outcome that I'm going to get is actually I have much cleaner data by just using the tab. Alright, so the next thing what a user can actually do and what I would like to share with you is actually the ability to create the layout plan. So I can go to the map, activate or select the bundle, then I can press the top right, which is the ability to activate the quick plan, slide it over, then I can press this icon on the middle bottom, press that. Now I have the ability to just slide up and down until I am satisfied with the point cloud data that I want to actually create. Now say for example this is the type or this is the slice that you want to work with, right? I just put it there. Then what I can do is, like what my 8-year-old boy can actually do, just slide, just swipe along the path, and if I want to edit, press on that, select and adjust it. Then I can do again, swipe, and the last swipe. Then I can just close the gap. Now that is how easy you can get the outline of your rooms. Then I can just save. I can change the room name to, say for example, leave lobby 001. Then I can measure the height from floor to the slab, pick on that, save, then I click save. Now of course I'll give you the instruction. That's how important for us to actually help the user. Then I can easily get the square meter of this lift lobby. Now apart from having this area, I can also create, I can go to the 360 view. Then I can actually define the door. So pick on the door, right, give me the instruction again, and I can just simply zoom in as much as I want, pick on that, then pick on the top level of the door and make sure it highlight red and pick again. Now you are roughly get the area of this door 1. Click save. I can proceed to the next one. Please bear with me as I try to do this. Alright, pick on that, select the side of the door, this side of the door and the top side of the door. There you go, click save, and I proceed to this, the lift door, pick on that. Yep, I'm gonna go and pick again, 1 and pick again, 2 and then pick another one for the top view. Make sure you highlight red, then you can pick, save, proceed to another one, Yep, thank you. All right, pick on that, then pick another one. Make sure it's red color. Pick, yep, save. Then I'll proceed to the last one, right? Yeah, you notice there's a person coming out of the elevator. Don't worry, we're not going to harm him. Right, pick on that and save. There you go. So what kind of output or outcome that you're going to get is I can just move to 3D. There you go. Oh, pick again. Let me just go back to this. All right, typical things happen, right? Pick on that. All right, just slice it over. We already have the door and everything. Let me go to 3D. Yep, there you go. No problem, small thing. I can highlight the point cloud data, right? So there you go. Okay, so this is the outcome that you can actually get when you are trying to create the 2D. So what can we do with this simple outcome, right? So it's more than that. Now with this kind of information, I can go to these rooms. I can pick on the rectangle with the pointing up arrow. Pick on that. Now I have the ability to export out to DSF or even IFC. Imagine if you are working on the site and your designer would like to have quickly to have this kind of, let's say, the layout and everything to do better, or to do, to do more design and whatsoever, you can export out to DSF or even IFC. That will work with most of the so-called, say for example, BIM application, or even a 2D like AutoCAD or BricsCAD or any other things. Right now, on top of that, it's actually not just this layout. Say for example, your user would like to see the point cloud data, right? So what you can do is I can just deactivate this quick plan, right? I can go to the bundle. I can export this out into TrueView Cloud, where a user with a less CAD experience want to actually navigate around E57, PTX, or even HDR upload. Now, you can even export out single setup, such as this one. You can export to E57, PTX, HDR upload, etc. So these are the ability or the function that you can actually do while having this field application, and the key is the ownership of the data, right? So that's about the Cyclone Field app, and if you have any question, just feel free to ping me.